Hello everyone, welcome to another episode on learning to make your IT operations efficient. Today we will see how you could save public cloud costs by defining an optimization policy and let Beam keep a tab on your cloud infrastructure. Cost savings can be achieved using Beam by looking at the recommendations to eliminate unused resources, right-size underutilized resources, purchasing or changing reservations for instances, and setting up playbooks to automate cloud operations. The recommendations can be found at an account level right from day one after successful onboarding based on the default policy. You can see the overall savings opportunity by navigating to Save and selecting a particular cloud account. Save works by analyzing the inventory, billing, and utilization data for the last 30 days and runs a set of audits. The Save dashboard provides an overview of the projected savings and efficiency on a monthly basis. Save recommendations for unused resources can be found from the Eliminate tab. Each line item represents unused resources of a certain resource type, and recommendations are provided based on an audit that is part of the optimization policy. Let's take the example of Old Snapshots. We can see that around $473 can be saved by eliminating old snapshots in the selected account. On drill down, you can see the savings per snapshot. The parameter used in this audit is the number of days since the snapshot was created. This can be configured in the optimization policy by navigating to the edit cost policy. With the recommendation, you can then eliminate the resource directly from Beam, suppress the recommendation, or create a ServiceNow ticket so that one of your operations members can take actions on this recommendation. You have to keep in mind that a write action on the account should be configured while onboarding for the one-click eliminate action to work. Like Old Snapshots, there are multiple audits that are available per cloud to detect and save on unused resources. Similarly, save recommendations for underutilized resources can be found in the Optimize tab. Let's look at the underutilized EC2 audit, for example. In this audit, Beam will show EC2 instances that have a low CPU, memory, and I/O utilization. For capturing memory metrics, Beam will require additional configuration per cloud. You can then optimize by right sizing to the recommended instance type, suppress, or create a ServiceNow ticket. The ServiceNow integration works both ways, where you can also get a status on the ticket in Beam per resource. The overall cost policy can be accessed from the Configure section. There is a default cost policy available per cloud during onboarding. You can then clone a policy to configure per account, and multiple accounts can share a single policy. The parameters for all the audits in a policy can be updated by editing the policy. The save recommendations are not only available per account, but also available at a business unit, cost center, or scope level, thereby providing deep visibility to both operations and business owners. Savings from reservations can be identified from the purchase feature. On navigating to purchase and buy, you can see the overall savings by going for reservations instead of on-demand instances in the selected account. On viewing details for a particular reservation instance type, you can also see the ROI for the recommendation. You can see that by going for a 1-year reservation, your investment will be the same as running the resources on demand for 7.5 months in this case. You can explore more save recommendation audits on the Beam demo environment. On an average, customers save around 10 to 30% of their cloud spend by using Beam's optimization recommendations. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos next week.